जस्टिस मंसूर शाह ने आलमी माहौलियाती अदालत के क़याम की तजवीज दे दी। ब्रीफ पाकिस्तान कॉन्फ्रेंस से इजहार ख्याल करते हुए कहा कि सैलाब से पाकिस्तान को 30 अरब रुपए का नुकसान हुआ। इतनी मालियाती तंजीमें मौजूदगी के बावजूद इसका इजाला न हुआ। मुतालबा किया कि मौसमियाती एहतसाब का निज़ाम लाया जाए।
Pakistan is a frontline state of climate catastrophe, a robust, active and well-informed judiciary, and I hasten to add an independent one also, which is fast eroding here, a concept that is essential to enforce and actualize climate justice. At the core of human dignity is the autonomy of the individual will, recognizing man to be a free agent, possessing freedom of choice. We've been giving directions for the last maybe 10 years now, thinking that our directions are being actualized and things are changing. But then the floods hit us in 22 and we realized that nothing much has happened on the ground. Gap between judicial mandates and financial capacity of the government has brought us to the critical realization that climate finance is just not an economic issue. It lies at the very heart of climate justice. Climate justice demands that countries with resources, global north, support countries on the front lines of climate change, global south. Not as charity, but as a legal and moral obligation. $30 billion we heard in 2022, we were stuck with these floods and hit by those floods, and the total bill of loss and damage then was $30 billion. Where's the money? And we have all these financial organizations that talk about these funds. Climate accountability mechanisms must be established to prevent mismanagement and ensure that every dollar that flows in serves the communities and the ecosystems that need it most.